Hi everyone, thanks for stopping back by for another video. And if you are new to the channel, welcome. I'm always happy to have you. And if you would like to join our family here on the channel, hit the subscribe button. And welcome back to all of my returning subscribers. And today's video is my Facetory. This is one subscription each month that I love receiving. I do a face mask a week. I share them with everyone. Giveaways, family and friends. Oops, everything's going to be hitting the floor today. So it comes in a nice little resealable bag that you could store all of your face masks in. And let's see what we have. So we have our face masks. Facetory, for those that don't know, is a monthly sheet mask subscription. You receive, this one that I receive is the Forever Fresh Kit. You receive 4 masks each month, and it's $8.90. And then they do have a second subscription that is the 7 Lux. Obviously, you get 7 face masks. And I believe that one does have free shipping and is $19.90 a month. And I have written down here somewhere, because I always forget about their new Luxe box that they offer, and it's like let me see, it's more skincare products, hair care products, and I'm sure I have not received it. Oh, I'm sorry, I have an itch. I'm sure you get some masks or treatments in there, and you get 10 to 12 products. It's $49.95 with over a $200 value. It is a seasonal box, your typical, your normal seasons, and it is free US shipping. And if I can find any codes on their website, I always put them down in the description box. This is the card for this month, Falling in Love. It's just a little postcard that they include. And then in the card, and this is the September Forever Fresh, gives you a little bit of information on your masks that are included in your bag. So the very first one, and this is from the Facetory brand themselves. And this is Everyday, let me see, Acai Rejuvenating Mask. And this says when to use when you're craving more than the acai bowl or smoothie, or reach for an acai sheet mask. Retail value $3.50. That's always nice. Well, this one looks nice. And this is from a company called Look at Me. And this is the watermelon face mask. And let me just see. It tells you gives you any helpful hints. So quench your skin's thirst with this deeply hydrating Tencel sheet mask that is soft on the skin and packed with essence. And that has a retail value of $3.50. And I think packaging is everything. And if I saw this in a store, I would probably pick it up immediately. This one is nice packaging, but not as like standout. I'm going to grab this one first, but packaging like this, I would normally just grab for right away. And the next one is from a company called Jean Blanc, and this is the Cica Essential Sheet Mask. And this Tencel sheet mask is infused with a lovely essence that is packed with skin calming botanical extracts to calm down angry, inflamed skin. And this is a retail value of $2.50. So that's pretty nice. I like that too. And then the last one in my bag for September is from Orgena. And this is the Essential Vital Mask, and this is a nutrition mask. This mask is packed with vitamin B, C, and E for well-rounded, nutritious snack for your skin. Value of $3. And, that's pretty neat looking packaging. I mean, they really all are. My favorite looking one is this one. Obviously, just the, the packaging itself, I think, sells products more than ever. So hopefully this was nice and quick. It's my monthly Facetory. I've been getting this for a long time, and we'll probably continue to get this one just because I love using sheet masks and sharing them with everyone. So that is my video for today, and I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye-bye now. Okay, since we did the Facetory video and have that over with, I'm going to be doing a giveaway in this video. So this is a pink mailer that I had gotten from Ipsy. They had sent me some free products a while back and I saved it. And I have this full. I'm not going to take everything out. There's, you know, face masks. There's little sample, you know, hair care products. I have a Pixie lipstick. There's some few little tubes of, you know, sample skincare. So in this video, which is my Facetory video for September, I'm going to be giving this away to one person. Obviously, there's only one bag. So if you watch this video to the end, you'll know about this giveaway. It's not going to be in the title or anything like that. This is for those that truly are watching my videos from start to end. And is all you have to state in the comments is the word Facetory. You don't have to say enter me in the giveaway because that's just going to alert people that there's a giveaway. So the less people that enter, the higher your chances are that you'll win this bag. So the only word that you have to say, and you can say other words obviously, but your first word in your comment needs to be Facetory, and I will enter you in the giveaway for this bag of goodies. And don't forget about my giveaway from September. It ends, I think, next week. So don't forget, and I will put that in the iCards also so that if you have not entered, you can. And this will stay open until, I believe, next Tuesday. So this video is going to go up on Thursday. I think it's the 3rd. Yes, Thursday. I was just looking at my calendar. This video will air on Thursday the 3rd, and it will close on Tuesday. So I'm not keeping it open for a long period of time. So if you watch this video and you want to enter the word Facetory, this is open to everyone. It's one entry per person, and none of the products in this bag are or YouTube are affiliated in any way. These are my products that I have either paid for, received in a box, or received in PR that I am now gifting back to one of you. So good luck in this little mini giveaway, and I appreciate all of you. Bye-bye now.